What does this question say? Find the modulus and argument of the complex number this. 1 plus 2i over 1 minus 3i. Now how are we supposed to find the modulus and argument? For finding the modulus and argument, first we need to convert in the standard form, that is a plus bi form, right? So for that, let's simplify this complex number, okay? So let z equals 1 plus 2i over 1 minus 3i. Now for simplifying this, we'll have to multiply with the complex conjugate of denominator, right? 1 plus 2i over 1 minus 3i times 1 plus 3i over 1 plus 3i. Now 1 plus 3i is the complex conjugate of this denominator over here, and we multiply it with this. In the numerator, let's apply the distributive law and we get 1 times 1, which is 1, plus 3i, 2i times 1 is 2i, and 2i times 3i is actually 6i square. So this is 6i square in the numerator. What do you get in the denominator? Let's take a look at the denominator. This is a minus b, this is a plus b, this is a square minus 3i whole square, which is 9i square. This is what I get, right? Let's continue further and see what do we get further is this 6i square becomes equal to what? This 6 times I square is actually minus 6. 1 minus 6 will become equal to minus 5, okay? This 3i plus 2i is actually equal to 5i. Whole divided by, what do we have over here is 1, I square becomes minus, so this becomes plus 9, 1 plus 9 is actually 10 in the denominator, okay? This is what I am getting. Further, what next? This is minus 5 by 10, which is minus 1 by 2, plus 5 by 10, which is 1 by 2i. This is my complex number z. And now I am supposed to find the modulus and argument of this complex number. Finding the modulus is not very difficult. Modulus is very simple. Therefore, modulus of z is equal to minus half square, which is 1 by 4. Half square, which is 1 by 4, and we take the under root. This is under root of x square plus y square. What do we get over here is this 1 by 2 in the under root, which gives me 1 by root 2, right? This is what you get. Modulus of z is very simple. For finding the argument, what are we supposed to do? For finding the argument, we are supposed to plot the point in the argand plane first. Let's plot the point in the argand plane. This is minus half comma half. This is minus half over here and half over here. The point lies in this quadrant over here, right? And the argument would be actually this angle. The argument would be actually this angle theta over here. Theta is the argument. In that case, let's try to find theta somehow. How will we find theta? This is half, this is also half, and we can find this alpha very easily, right? Tan alpha, as you can clearly observe, is 1 by 2 upon 1 by 2 in this right angle triangle over here. This is 1 by 2 upon 1 by 2, which is 1, giving me alpha equals pi by 4. Now once you get the value of alpha, therefore you can easily find the value of theta. Therefore theta, which is argument of z, is actually equal to, from here to here it is pi, and we'll have to subtract pi by 4 from pi, thereby giving us argument as 3 pi by 4. The argument of this complex number z is 3 pi by 4. The modulus is 1 over root 2, as you can observe over here. The argument is 3 pi by 4, as you can clearly observe over here. And is that all? Yes, that is all in this question over here.